Good afternoon, everyone. Now we have today Mr. Sunny Charan Thandalia, Associate Manager, Business Development Strategy and Admissions GMR, and Ms. Preeti Vadiganeni, Manager, Business Development and Operations GMR. We also have we're also expecting Captain VK Singh, Managing Director, Aryan Aviation, but due to some urgent issues, he couldn't make it today. So now I begin with our guests today, Ms. Priti Vignani and Mr. Sunny, and they will be guiding our listeners about the career in aviation.
Just for good evening, everyone. So the building you're seeing, the backside is called GMR Aero Tower. It's the corporate office of GMR Aviation Academy and GMR Hyderabad International Airport. We it is a GMR Hyderabad International Airport. GMR is a company which runs Hyderabad Airport, Delhi Airport, and other airports in India. So GMR Aviation Academy is a division of GMR Aviation, GMR Airports Limited. So to start the program, just about me already, like your speakers already have informed. So I have almost 11 years experience in industry, in education industry, and I joined the GMR Aviation Academy in 2016. And from past 4 years, I'm working here. I'm taking care of admissions and marketing and promotions of GMR Aviation Academy in South India. So GMR Aviation Academy is the only regional training center of excellence which is recognized by International Civil Aviation Organization. No other academy in India has this status. So coming to about GMR, many people might know or may not know about GMR Group. So GMR as a group, the GMR stands for Gandhi Mallikarjun Rao sir, the group chairman's name it is. So it started in 1978 with jute business, small industry. Now it is in 2000 in 1996 it ventured into infrastructure and power side and all. In 2018, by 2018 it had 6 airports and 6 highways and 2 SEZs, 10 power plants and one domestic coal block and one overseas coal block. And it is in 2019. If you see again, it is getting into diversified. And recently, GMR has tied up with ADP. So ADP is another major airport developer and operator in world. So put together ADP and GMR, it is one of the world's leading airport operators in world now. So it is the GMR Aviation Academy comes. It is a department of GMR Airports Limited, and GMR projects are in various parts of India. If you see the like different parts in north side, west side, east side, and south side, like different. It is a diversified group. It is into power sector. It is into airports and various other areas. So coming to the aviation, because now the topic majorly is about aviation. So in aviation sector, if you see the world, so like on overall in world, so we are available in totally in Hyderabad. We run the airport in Delhi. We run the airport, and Mactan Cebu in Philippines we run one airport, and in Clark the airport is coming up, and Crete the airport is coming up, and Goa the airport is coming up. One more in Vizag the airport is coming up. So if you see, there are a lot of airports which are coming up in India and abroad as well. And GMR also has aviation. It's called GMR Aviation Private Limited. It is into leading chartered service provider in India. So even we do charter services, and it is a different business. And another is we also have a MRO facility in Hyderabad. So like a full-fledged MRO, two narrow and one wide body hangars are available. And we have Raksh. There is one more important like business unit called Raksha, which is into security. Pan India, it provides security, manpower services. So it is a diversified group, and you might be knowing about now IPL is going on. So Delhi Daredevils, the team was of GMR Group. So now it is named as the Delhi Capitals. It is around 50% stake of that particular IPL team is of GMR. So group is into diversified areas. Coming to GMR Aviation Academy. So GMR Aviation Academy, as I told you, it is the only regional training center of excellence recognized by ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization. and it is also NSDC certified. And we are also associated with Rajiv Gandhi National Aviation University for two programs. One is PG Diploma in Airport, airport operations, PG Diploma in Airport Operations. Another is Basic Firefighting course, and another is we are also associated with ITA as Authorized Training Center, ITA Accredited Training School (ATS), and we are also ACI's Global Training Hub, ACI's Airport Council International. We do international trainings for them, and we are also associated with the government of Kerala, and we are having a community skill park. We are doing trainings for their students in Kerala. So another, we are also associated with DGC, Director General of Civil Aviation, and for various programs, and we are also associated with AAAE, American Association of Airport Executives. And apart from that, so if you see, and also we one thing is not mentioned here, that is we are also ISO certified, ISO 9001:2015 certified. So if you see this many associations and this many recognitions, I think hardly any academy has in India. So the main advantage by taking training, aviation training from GMR, is one thing is already it is a known name in GMR, as a brand is a well-known name in India. And apart from that, if you see this logo, if you see ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization, RTC. So these RTCs are only a handful in world. So this is, I think, one of the 8 or 9 RTCs in the world. In India, this is only regional training center of excellence. So the advantage is that taking training from a renovated training academy definitely has a very good future prospects. So that's the advantage. We also provide for career programs. We also provide placement assistance. And coming for the benefit of the students, many people think like aviation means only pilot training, or it might be AME training, aircraft maintenance engineering training, or it might be this cabin crew training. Many people know only these three, but there are many areas in aviation. Just I'll give you a few examples. One is airport operations. Airport operation itself is a very vast subject. So you can get opportunity into terminal operation side. You can get into airside operation. You can become a airside inspector, or you can get into customer facility launch. You can get into this aviation firefighting. You can get into aviation security services, like you can get into big this baggage screening departments you can get into, and you can get into cargo services. You can get into customer support associates. You can get into ground handling side, like you can become a turnaround coordinator. You can become a loading supervisor. So there are n number of areas where you can get into. Once you are into the aviation, once you are doing some professional certifications, you have a lot of opportunities. Many people in India, many people, sadly the awareness is not there. Many people, they don't know like this many opportunities are there in aviation sector. So many people think only it is pilot training, or it is cabin crew training, or AME training. Maximum they know only these three. Some people they say ground staff, but ground staff, they vaguely know anything. People know anything, but there are a lot of opportunities. So we have come up with the programs which are very useful and job oriented. So we provide placement assistance. Once a student completes any career oriented programs, we offer placement assistance also. And majorly the four sectors in aviation they take our students. One is airports. So it might be GMR airport, it might be other PPP, private and public partnership airports. It might be government airports. So this is even government, semi-government airports, they can take the students. One is airports, they take in different departments based upon the requirement. Second one is airlines. Airlines take our students in as a customer support associates, or they take as aviation security officers. So these are the two major areas where our students are getting into. Third one, in ground handling companies. In ground handling companies, they get opportunity as a customer support associates. They got opportunity as a turnaround coordinators, loading supervisors, or ramp executives. There are a lot of areas where they can get. And I'm talking only about operational side. I'm not talking about any technical side. It's an all totally operational level opportunities. And fourth one is cargo areas. In cargo also, you can get opportunity as a cargo agent, or you can get opportunity as a cargo executive. In it might be in GMR in Hyderabad. GMR Cargo is a company which is handled by GMR. It's a subsidiary of GMR Hyderabad International Airport Limited. So even there is our students, certificate in airport operations students. One of the student recently, I think 6 to 8 months back, he got selected in GMR Cargo. So there are a lot of opportunities in this particular areas, and not only in GMR Cargo. You can There are a lot of opportunities in other airports. There are a lot of cargo companies. There are subsidiaries. So there are sub cargo agents where there are a lot of opportunities. Yesterday there was a requirement. Day before yesterday, I believe, there was a requirement from one of the tourism and ticketing company. Like during this pandemic also they are hiring. They required some 7 people. Like we have passed across that to our students, customer support associate students. We have sent the information. So we give placement assistance once the situation becomes normal. So we once the situation becomes normal, in the sense like once the like the aircraft movements and all becomes to come to at least 70 to 80% or 90% if it is okay. Now, as of now, if you see, as per the Ministry of Civil Aviation updates, around 2 lakh people are flying as of now. So around 1.8 to 2 lakh rupees, 2 lakh people people are flying in domestic. I'm talking in domestic numbers. So actually, the number was around 4 lakhs earlier, before pre-COVID. So we expect very soon, maybe after 3 to 4 months, once the vaccine comes in, or once the situation becomes normal, once this pandemic effect reduces, automatically the situation becomes normal. So definitely, the aviation industry will definitely come into the track. Already, it is recovering. Definitely, in very soon. By the time you by the time the industry recovers, it is better if you are already ready with the certifications and with your it's like it will be very helpful for you. You can jump into the industry. Otherwise, once the situation becomes normal, then if you do the training, then it takes maybe you'll be wasting around 4 to 5 months time, and that opportunity will be missed. Yeah. So coming to the experience in training, we have trained, if you see in 2018-19, we have trained around 38,000 people. And we are having in-house trainers, as well as we have trainers coming from across industry, as well as our own, like many of our trainers are also our airport employees who are subject matter experts. So, and apart from that, we are also tied up with various universities and professional institutions, around 14 of them. And we offer various job oriented programs. And we also have started awareness programs as well as career programs. Awareness programs doesn't come with any placement assistance, but career programs definitely comes with placement assistance. Yeah, I mean, coming to like, no, we have trained not only in Indian companies, not on our airports and our other subsidiary companies and other airlines and all. We have also trained people from other countries like Bahrain, Oman, Canada, Sri Lanka, Laos, Philippines, Myanmar, Maldives, Nepal, and this number is growing. So maybe this year again there are few more clients coming in. So this number is increasing by the day. And because it's as I told you, it's a regional training center of excellence. It has a very good brand name, and also we have an excellent faculty pool. We have subject matter experts who can speak very good English, and even if there is a requirement of other languages also, we pull in subject matter experts from various other industries, various other countries, and try to give them the training opportunities. Yeah, coming to the training verticals, we are into airport operations, safety and compliance. We are into airport rescue and firefighting. We are into aviation security, non-aero commercial development, airport IT and communication, airport environment and protection, soft skills and consultancy. So these are the various training verticals we have. And just for your information, all the training are not for ab initios, not for students. All these training verticals are not everything is not for students, because GMR Aviation Academy not only trains students, we also train professionals, the people who are working in airports, who are working in airlines. So, like there is a different set of trainings which are required for professionals at different levels. Some people require refresher trainings. Some people require say they require some additional trainings which might be required by the government regulators. There might be some add-on trainings which might be required. All these trainings based upon which are there in our bandwidth, definitely we try to help any Indian company as well as even abroad company, based upon their training requirements. We try to give them the solutions, and we also prepare the, for instance, 2 3 years back, even we trained Chennai Metro. Chennai Metro Rail, there was a company called Chennai Metro Rail. How Hyderabad Metro Rail is there. Likewise, Chennai Metro Rail, they required some training on airport operations, like on operations, general operations. So, like they have taken some topics related to terminal operations of the airport, and they chose this kind of training is required. So within I think 1 day, so we have developed a program and we delivered it. So it was a 4 day program. But it's a customized program what we have delivered for them. So likewise, we offer customized training programs also based upon the requirement of the industry, and also not only aviation industry. If there is a industry in other industries, if we can help based upon any requirement, definitely we'll also. If it is in our scope, we'll definitely try to help the companies. And soft skills is, anyways, it is common for any across industry. We have an excellent program called CCRP, Certification and Corporate Readiness Program. So this program is very very useful for students as well as the people who have recently joined the organizations. It will be very very useful program for them as well. So in soft skills, we have done a very good job last year. So CCRP, we can say it's one of the best programs in soft skills domain in India as of now. And coming to the consultancy, as you know, we are into airside, the airport development. We have a company called GMR Airports Developers Limited, GADL. So with association with GADL, we offer consultancy services for small airports if they want to have the operational readiness kind of activities. So we also provide consultancy services also. So we have done ORAT services for Kannur International Airport. Likewise, if there is a requirement for any other airports, we'll be definitely open for consultancy requirements also in future. Yeah. So coming to the training portfolio, if you see airport operations, aviation ground handling operations, airport rescue, firefighting, dangerous good regulations, management and leadership, EASA, and airport related. If you see, these are the 7 different portfolios majorly. So for each, we have associated, for some program, we are associated with a very good bodies. For example, for airport operation, for PG program, we are associated with Rajiv Gandhi National Aviation University, and GMR Aviation Academy is the only academy as of now in India which is associated with Rajiv Gandhi National Aviation University, which is a university recognized by Ministry of Civil Aviation. So MOCA, it is a direct. The university is under directly MOCA, Ministry of Civil Aviation. And if you talk about other management and leadership, we have IAE India, and for DGR we are associated with IATA, like we are IATA ATC. And for airport firefighting also, we are associated with Rajiv Gandhi National Aviation University. Jointly we are giving certification, and like the advantage for the student will be very immense, because the student will be getting a 6 months certification program from RJNU and GMR Aviation Academy. It's a joint certification which is provided, and the training happens at Rajiv Gandhi National Aviation University campus at Raebareli for BG diploma in airport operations as well as for basic firefighting course. And apart from that, we are very soon, maybe next year, we'll be starting EASA 147 EASA School of Aircraft Engineering. So GMR School of Aircraft Engineering is like this training is for AME students. Some students who are looking for AME, they can plan for this particular training. So typically, the advantage with GMR's School of Aircraft Engineering would be we have our own MRO. So for the OJTs and for this for typewriting trainings and all, definitely student need not go anywhere else. And apart from that, we EASA certification as well as DGCA. The student who want EASA, they'll be getting EASA certification and DGCA certification. Some people who don't want EASA, they can go for DGCA. So the program, the modules are getting developed. So most probably this financial year or next financial year, we'll be starting this program, or next academic year, we'll be starting this program. So, and apart from that, any other airport related trainings we provide. GMR Aviation Academy provides training on various other like terminal operations related, or this AOCC Airport Operations Control Center, or so different departments are there. Based upon their requirements, we offer trainings. And soft skills, anyways, customer support skills trainings. All these trainings we provide based upon their requirement. Yeah. So coming to the student level. So what are the major trainings for the student level? One is certification in airport operations. So this is a flagship program of GMR Aviation Academy. So we have completed 18 batches, and the last 18th batch was completely done online on live Zoom, like how I'm speaking. Likewise, the trainer with the help of PPT will be speaking to the students, will be giving the training. So the feedback was awesome, it was very good, and students were very happy with the training. And 3 months completed. June 29th, the batch started, and we have completed the training by September 26th, I believe. So within 3 months, we have completed the training, and the batch number 19th we are starting from October 27. Certification in airport operations is one, as I told you, it's one of the flagship program of GMR Aviation Academy. And pre-COVID, our placement record was more than 70%. People got opportunities in airport, people got opportunities in airlines, people got opportunities in ground handling companies, people got opportunities in cargo companies. So there are different sectors where student got selected once they completed the certification in airport operations. So never we gave any job guarantees or assurances. We gave only placement assistance. The main focus was always quality training. The quality training was provided by us, and we also, it's not like we have left the students. We have given placement assistance. Once the training is completed, we provided placement assistance for the students. So based upon the, and coming the present scenario, what we tell to students presently, for the current students as well as the people who are joining now for the batch, we are telling them, like, once the situation becomes normal, once the pandemic situation comes to the normalcy, we'll be starting the placement assistance program. Why? Because as of now, if you see, most 90% of the companies are not hiring as of now. That is the truth. Many people, many training academies, whether they tell this or not, this is the truth. Maybe after 3 to 4 months, once the situation starts becoming normal, definitely again the vacancies will start flowing up. And we also caution students, like most of the companies, they are fake, like fake and fraud companies are posting the information like this. There are requirements coming up on various different portals and all. Don't believe that. Typically, go to the official website. Yeah. So go to the official website of the particular what to say, the company, and just check if there are any vacancies. Then only apply. Okay. Just we give all this advice to our students. So just I'm telling you, all the students who are listening. So once the situation becomes normal, definitely the vacancies will start. So yes, we are all waiting for that. And coming to this certification in airport operations is a 3 months course, and we provide three certifications. I'll just elaborate in next slide. Another is customer service agent, CSA. The student who don't want to spend 3 months time and can't afford to spend so much money, so they can go with the customer support associate program also. So that is a 3 weeks plus 1 week. That is 1 week. It is a project work. So total 4 weeks program. And another is certification in retail management, CIRP. That is specifically for aviation retail, as well as you can get into general retail as well. And fourth one is firefighting course. As I told you, it is the program which is jointly certified by Rajiv Gandhi National Aviation University and GMR Aviation Academy. And there are many other programs which are coming up very soon. And but these four programs are, we can say, one of the flagship programs of GMR Aviation Academy. So small information about this. So this certification airport operation started. First batch started in February 2015, and it was started with 2.5 months. Now it is a 3 months course, and we are giving three certification now. Earlier it was a different module program. So now totally the batch number 19 is going to start. The current information, if some student is interested, will be I think Mr. Sai and Meenaji will be sending the information. So there was some disturbance. Yeah. So somebody is interested, we'll be definitely sending across the information about this particular course. And the next batch is scheduled from October 2020, and venue is online. As of now, the training is happening online. So going forward, we'll be having two modules. One is online training as well as offline training. So the online training, the batch is starting from October 27th we are planning to start. Offline training as of now we didn't got any updates from the government of India and government of Telangana. Based upon their updates, we'll be starting the classroom trainings. So yeah, coming to the
Sir,
placements, if you see, so coming to the placements, if you see, there are a lot of other programs like Danata, MIC, Air India Sets. So all these companies have taken students from us. And coming to the basic firefighting course, so again it's a 6 months course. It is also around 15 to 17 batches are already completed, and the batch number 2 in Rajiv Gandhi National Aviation Campus is going to start very soon in November. And in November we'll be starting, and the training would be a joint certification from RGNU and GMR Aviation Academy. And this is a very important department because any airport, any plane, if it has to land or it has to take off, that many firefighters are required. And if there's so many firefighters are not there, definitely the plane will not land. So typically, it's as per the ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization standards. So this many firefighters are required for any airport. So definitely the requirement will be there across world, not only in India. So once they get trained in particular departments, one as a firefighters for 6 months in aviation firefighting, once they work for 2 3 years in Indian airports, definitely many students, around 40 students of ours are working in abroad after getting, and some people are working in NATO, some people are working in Middle East and all. So what we suggest is once they do the training, once they get opportunity either in our airports or Indian airports, placement assistance again is provided for this. Once they get 2 3 years experience, they also plan abroad based upon the requirement. The packages are very good for the students who go abroad as well. So this is about firefighting. If you see Durgapur Airport, GMR, our own airports, Hyderabad Airport, Delhi Airport, or even there are takers for industrial industries like pharma companies, power companies. Also, they take students from this particular programs. Yeah. So we are also associated with the government of Kerala with ASAP. ASAP, it's a community skill park. So it's a government of Kerala initiative. So they are providing training for their students. So because of they want to create job opportunities for their students. So we are GMR and GMR Aviation Academy and government of Kerala have signed an MOU for giving training for the students who are looking for customer support associate, retail management training, and basic firefighting courses. So we are planning to increase that numbers as well, the various other trainings as well. So please hold on. So this is a program of Rajiv Gandhi National Aviation University, PGDPO, PGDAO, which is one first batch is already started and it's almost completed. Now the OJT activity is happening for this particular program, and a new batch with around 120 students have applied for this particular program, and I think around 80 to 90 students have been shortlisted for this particular next batch. So most probably in November we are planning to start this batch. So, and the training will be in Raebareli, and this is again it's a joint certification by GMR Aviation Academy and Rajiv Gandhi National Aviation University. So it's one of the flagship program again because it's a renovated university. Like the National University always has a very good like it has a very good status. And compared to if you compare GMR Aviation Academy CAO and this, CAO is a short-term program and this is a long-term. We can say PG diploma program. So again, placement. So though it's now the first batch will be coming for the placements very soon, maybe after 4 to 6 months. So all the PPP airports will be definitely will be very much interested to look to their profile because they are already taken theoretical training as well as they are getting some on-the-job training also for this particular program. So non-technical programs, if you see, as I told you, like like in India, many people think only about pilot training, cabin crew, and they think about AME only. So, but these many opportunities are there. Many people should think about this. One is CAO, certificate in airport operations, certificate in airport and cargo operations, basic firefighting course, aviation basic firefighting course, industrial PG diploma in airport operations, and this airport executive membership. There is a senior program, customer support associate programs, airport baggage handling course, certification in retail management, professional certification in ground handling operations, ICAO approved courses, DGR courses, ICAO, ITA cargo courses. So we have trained a customer support associate. We have trained around 130 people till now in Hyderabad and Delhi. And turnaround coordinators, we have trained around 54 people. Retail management, we have trained around 35 people. So there are a lot of in future. We are because these are the new programs. So the reason number is less. So for other programs, we have trained in hundreds of numbers. So we were very happy. Like we have done a global symposium in International Civil Aviation Organizations, Global Aviation Training and Trainer Plus Symposium, New Delhi on 4 to 6 December 2019. So wherein like around 200 to 300 plus delegates across the world they have attended this particular symposium, and the official host for this was GMR Aviation Academy and Delhi International Airport. So like this kind of activities, like if you see very renovated and big academies and good names can definitely hold this kind of, and this will increase the credibility of the particular academy while doing this. This is not the first event we have done. In earlier also in 2014 or 15 we have done ICAO symposiums earlier as well. So this was a recent one. So we thank Career EDU for giving this opportunity to GMR Aviation Academy.